Suppose you are doing a metal sample analysis. You have got four different numbers. Out of the four different values, you have doubt on one particular value. Whether this particular value is included in the calculation of mean or standard deviation or not. So how you are going to decide whether this particular value is included in your final calculations or not? How you are going to decide it? Do you know that? Yes, by using Q test, you can decide whether that value is included in the calculation part or not. Hi, I am Madhusudan Yadav. I have completed my master's in chemistry from Delhi IIT. In this quick bite, I am going to explain you what is Q test in analytical chemistry. Let me share you the related content. Yeah, have a look at this. Have a look at this, guys. So this is a Q test. Q stands for, it is a rejection quotient. What is meant by Q? It is a rejection quotient. So it is also, Q test is also called as a reliability of results. So whatever the values you are getting, reliability, నమ్మదగినవా కావా మీకు వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ని నమ్మొచ్చా లేదా అని టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీకు మీరే while doing experiment. Okay, so Q stands for rejection quotient. So it indicates whether that doubtable, whatever the number you have doubt, whether that is rejected or it should be kept in the calculation. That can be decided by Q test. So Q test is Q is equal to, we have a formula, questionable value minus nearest value by largest value minus smallest value. This is Q calculated. If Q calculated is greater than Q critical, the value should be rejected according to this formula. If Q calculated is less than Q critical, then that value is not rejected. So let's apply this Q test for one question. Here, the following values are obtained in cadmium analysis. In the determination of sample dust, cadmium sample dust analysis is going now. So you have got four different values. Okay, 4.3, 4.1, 4.0, and 3.2. Should the last value 3. Be rejected or not? Decide. How you will decide now? So what you will do? You will do Q test. Q test formula is, this is mod of questionable value. What is the questionable value? They are asking 3.2 can be included or not. 3.2 minus, what is the nearest value of that? Out of the 4, the nearest value is 4.0 by largest value is 4.3 minus the smallest value is 3.2. So if you do this small calculation, you will get 0.8 by, I think, 1.1. So this will be, it is in the numerator, it is slightly less than 1. The denominator slightly greater than 1. So the value is in between 0.7, 0.67, something like that you will get. 0.72, 72 something you will get. So this is the value of Q calculated. Now the Q calculated value we have got. Now they have given in the question itself Q critical. The Q critical value is 0.831. So the Q critical value is greater compared to the Q calculated. So the value is rejected or not, or it should be included. Let's see, this second case it is following. So the value should not be rejected. That means the questionable value 3.2 should be included in the final calculation. This is how Q test will help you whether a particular value is included in the final calculation part or not. So we also have F test, students T test, these are all there, okay, in analytical chemistry. For more such content, click the link in the description. Thank you.